Hey, it's Comfort here and welcome to my kitchen flavors this beautiful Saturday morning here in Kampala. And today I'm sharing my banana pancake recipe. They turn out nicely fluffy and super duper yummy. And if you watch through to the end, I'll show you how to make a beautiful spicy syrup that goes well with them. You're gonna need 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour. I like to add 2 tablespoons of wheat germ for its rich fiber content, 1 tablespoon of sugar. For the leavening agents, I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is gonna help the pancakes become tall and fluffy. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and this is gonna help the pancakes to brown. Here, I have 2 bananas, which I already mashed up, 3/4 cups of milk. Here I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of banana essence, and an egg. To a large clean bowl, you want to add your dried ingredients, the flour, wheat germ, sugar, and leavening agents. Whisk until well combined and then set the bowl aside. Do the same for the wet ingredients. Add your mashed bananas, vegetable oil, egg, banana essence, and milk to a clean bowl and whisk bulungi. Add the wet ingredients to the dried ones, and you want to just mix them without overdoing it. We're looking for a thick batter like this one here, because the thicker the batter, the fluffier and taller the pancake. We're then going to let this sit for 10 minutes before cooking, and in the time you can drink a cup of coffee or tea and read a liberating truth like this one. It's 10 minutes later and time to cook the pancakes. Now I posted a video on the right way to cook them, which I will link in the description below and the icon above, so do check that out later on. As a quick reminder, it's best to use non-stick cookware when cooking your pancakes, and the heat should be medium to medium low. If you are unsure when to flip the pancakes, look out for all these little bubbles, which means it's usually time to flip the pancakes. Also, I didn't use any oil to cook these pancakes because of the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil that I added at the beginning. Place your cooked pancakes on a wire rack, and as you can see, my pancakes are looking super duper beautiful. Cali, I can't wait to dig in, but first, let me show you this easy, tangy, spicy syrup that complements the banana pancakes. Bulungi nyo. Here I have some Ugandan honey. Banage tugule Ugandan products where possible so we can grow our nation. I'm adding that to a bowl. Here I have juice from 1 lemon and some cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to mix everything together until well combined. So this channel got 200 subscribers on Wednesday and then some more. So I want to take this opportunity to appreciate each one of you for empowering me to live out my sweet spot. So, awadifo eminiba, thank you, dankeschön, gracias, neanziza neanzege, asante sana, iyalama noi noi, namaste, obrigado, dank u, merci beaucoup, and finally, rakoseteleba, makalando, ribosite kendo shikaya. Alright, let's just plate our yummy pancakes. I think 2 per serving is perfect, especially if you're going to present it with a side of fresh fruit. Garnish with sliced banana and drizzle the beautiful honey, lemon, cayenne syrup over it. Nze, I've got to dig in like kati. So let me just say thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you're going to be making these pancakes for your family this weekend. Trust me, they're going to love you for it. And until my next video, may you go out there and be a blessing to the world for the glory of the Father. Bye!